Hey everybody, it's Matt Abdu from Beach BBQ here in Astoria, Queens, New York. We're here celebrating the 6th annual Jeff Michner Foundation barbecue benefit, where we have 30 of the country's best pitmasters flying in from all over the country, serving up a taste of their signature bite here today to celebrate, honor, and remember Jeff. Jeff was the opening pitmaster and executive chef of Beach BBQ when we started as a pop-up in Gowanus, Brooklyn. He suddenly and tragically passed away at the age of 36, leaving behind his wife Sara and his daughter Hayes. Hayes was only 1 year old at the time, so it's a really special day for us. The foundation raises money for scholarships of graduating students pursuing Jeff's two passions of golf and culinary arts, as well as helping families manage loss and tragedy and grief and connecting families together to help in any kind of way. So today is just a really spectacular day of great food, great eats, sometimes great weather, but nonetheless, it's for an amazing cause and it's so meaningful and heartfelt from everybody that's here sharing this spectacular day with us here today at Beach BBQ. We could not put on this event without the support of our amazing sponsors. And this year particularly, we have somebody new to the lineup. FinaMill was so gracious to donate these amazing spice grinders to be part of the goodie bag for all of our pitmasters joining us here today. And I have to tell you, of all the gifts that we've given in the past few years, they were super excited to get this because obviously pitmasters, we cook up our incredible barbecue with amazing spice rubs and seasonings, but when you grind that stuff fresh, it really makes your barbecue stand out and be spectacular. So without the support of our amazing sponsors here today, we're so grateful for every single one of them here today, and we're always honored to have newcomers to it, just like FinaMill. So from the bottom of our heart, thank you for all the support you've given us over the years.